Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Fortnite Battle Royale error code 7. The error reads, "That wasn't supposed to happen. There was a problem determining if you need an update. You may or may not need an update." As per our research, this error comes when players try to access the game. It is usually related to problems connecting to the Epic Games servers. The issue can either be from the server side or due to an internet connectivity problem. The first thing we recommend is to restart your router along with your device. Once both are restarted, launch the game and check for the error. If the error still comes then, check if your game needs an update. If there is a pending update, install it and try launching the game again. If the error still comes, go to status.epicgames.com and check Fortnite's server status. If there is any server downtime, then wait for the servers to come back online and try again. If the servers are working fine, then check if your device firmware needs an update. If yes, update it and see if the error still comes. If the error still appears, then it could be because of some unknown bug with the game or temporary server-side issues. In this case, wait for some time and try again. If the error still continues, we suggest you contact Epic Games support for further help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.